Welcome to the Excel Masterclass series. Whether you are a beginner or want to sharpen your skills, you are in the right place. Hey everyone, I am Ronak Parvez, a Microsoft certified trainer, and you are about to dive into a course that gives you everything you need to know about Excel. So let me give you a brief about what all things I am going to cover. First, we will start with the Excel Essential. This is your foundation, learning the basic, shortcuts and many more. Next, it's time for the Excel Formula Masterclass. We will deep dive into powerful formula like lookup formula, if formula, financial, statistical formula, date and time formula and many more. By the end of this, you will master formulas like a boss. Then we will explore different types of chart like pie chart, donut chart, combo chart and many more. You will learn how to turn data into stunning visuals. Now comes the game changer, Pivot Masterclass, where you will get pivot table expertise. We will cover everything you need to know about pivot table. And finally, I will share tips and tricks of Excel. These are practicals, time-saving hacks that will make your life so much easier. But that's not all. I will show you how to use AI to solve big Excel problems with ease, automate your tasks and simplify complex chart and save hours of work all with AI. So don't worry, I have many things in my video lecture. So just go step by step and learn everything about Excel. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive. Let's start.
Okay, so this is called Excel workbook. Okay, and this is my Excel version 2016. If you have higher than this, then user interface would be different, but function would be same. So this is called workbook, and inside workbook you can see you have multiple worksheet. Now we have two worksheet, so you can add more worksheet by clicking this add sign. Inside this worksheet you will have multiple cells. These all called are cells. Okay, and you also have different columns and different rows. Columns are denoted by A, B, C, D alphabet order, and rows are denoted in numeric order. Okay, now you can see that at the top of this data we have this portion called ribbon. This will be explained one by one in my further videos. Below this ribbon we got name box. This is name box, basically like name of this cell, like this is F column 7 row, so this is the name of this cell. And beside this we have formula bar. Whatever we input over here, formula we will see in other videos, and basically what data is inside this cell will be displayed over here. Okay, and after this we will have different tabs and different section of each tab, so will be explained in other videos by me. Now let me explain you this sheet details, because we're gonna use this sheet for our other videos to explain you about the data and all, and I will also share this sheet with you all so that you can practice with me along. So this is a COVID data sheet. You can see this patient number, date announced when they got COVID, this is the age group of that person, this is gender, from city they belong, state, and their current status, their nationality and type. Now type of transmission, there are two types of transmission, local or imported. Local, basically they have got locally transmitted, basically maybe in coming contact with local people or friends or family, whatever. And imported, maybe they have traveled to other state or country or somewhere out of their state. So we will see all this data in detail next videos, and this is one more sheet is there that is called other details. So we will look at this cost of a test, number of tests conducted in India, modality rate, date of data record, time of record. Will be doing all this thing in detail in next videos.
So that's it for today, and I will see you in next lecture. Thank you.